There's a strategy to building wealth that most immigrants are never told. Not because you wouldn't understand it, not because you're not capable, but because no one ever slowed down enough to explain the order. And when money doesn't have order, it always feels heavier than it should. Maybe you recognize this feeling. You're working, you're earning, you're doing what you're supposed to do, but you still don't feel settled, like something could go wrong at any moment. And the reason isn't that you're doing something reckless. It's that your money is being asked to do too much at once. Right now, your money is trying to pay bills, support family, handle emergencies, save, invest, and give you peace of mind, all at the same time. That's not a money problem. That's a structure problem. And when structure is missing, even progress feels fragile. You might be earning more than before, but deep down, you know one unexpected situation could shake everything. So your body stays tense. Your mind keeps calculating, and every financial decision feels heavier than it should. If this sounds familiar, this is exactly the kind of situation we talk through inside the KLP community. That space exists so you're not carrying these questions alone, and if you want to be part of it, the link is in the description. Here's what most people don't realize. Money doesn't calm you down when you earn more. It calms you down when it becomes predictable. And predictability only comes from order. When money has no clear roles, it keeps interrupting itself. So instead of asking, how do I grow faster? The better question is, how do I stop starting over? This is where things begin to shift. Wealth isn't built by doing everything at once. It's built in sequence. First, you plan. That means you give your income direction. You decide what your money is meant to do, instead of letting life decide for you. Then, you protect. You build a layer that absorbs life's surprises, so one unexpected moment doesn't force you to pause your goals or undo progress. And only after that, you grow. Because growth feels different when it's no longer interrupted. This is the structure we walk people through step by step, both inside the KLP community and during our Free Money Thursday sessions. If at any point you want guidance that fits your real life, both links are waiting for you in the description. And here's something important. This isn't about being fearless. If you feel cautious about money, that's not weakness. That's awareness. You carry responsibilities. You've seen instability. You know what it means to start over. The goal isn't to ignore that feeling, it's to build a system strong enough to hold it. That's why community matters, because there will be moments when you feel unsure, or life shifts, or a decision feels heavy again. And instead of guessing alone, you have a place to ask, to learn, to recalibrate. That's what the KLP community is for, and you can join anytime using the link in the description. And when you want a more focused conversation, when you want to walk through your numbers, your priorities, your next step, you can book a Free Money Thursday session. No pressure, no rush, just clarity, because the goal isn't speed. The goal is stability that lasts. Thanks for spending this time with me. If this made you pause and think differently about money, like the video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more grounded, practical guidance. And when you're ready, join the KLP community, or book a Free Money Thursday session. Both links are in the description. Don't rush wealth. Build it in order.